If you're encountering an add-on error on Stremio, it can be frustrating. Follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Restart Stremio. Close the Stremio application completely and reopen it. This simple action can often resolve temporary glitches and refresh the connection to the add-ons. Step 2. Check internet connection. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Update Stremio. Make sure you are using the latest version of Stremio. Go to the official Stremio website or your app store to check for updates and install them if available. Step 4. Clear cache. Navigate to the settings in Stremio and look for an option to clear the cache. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be causing the add-on error. Step 5. Reinstall add-ons. If the error persists, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the problematic add-ons. Go to the add-on section, remove the add-on, and then search for it again to reinstall. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the add-on error on Stremio. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Stremio support for further assistance.